Toyota Avensis, if you want to add key, remote control, self immobilizer chip, I don't know how, but remote control, if you got new key and it's not working remote, I have already done, but shortly I can show you. Car must be open, not locked, and doors must be open. So now what you must do, take key, put it 1 2, take out 1 2, again key 1 1 2. Now put key inside, close door, ignition on and off, take out. And after, you must hold those two buttons, hold about 1.5 seconds, and after you push and hold this lock button around 3 seconds and release, and it should lock, unlock, lock, unlock. And after I have done open doors, close doors, turn ignition, and after, voila, it's working. Before was not working. It's many instructions and all is different, so this one was working for me. In your case, I'm not sure, but this Toyota Avensis is around 2006, and in this car instruction was like that. See you next time. And key is like this.